Hello friends, our today's topic is on ion exchange apparatus. Today we have to discuss about how we have to perform the experiment of ion exchange. This is our setup which is manufactured by Mass International. This is a data logging apparatus in which there are two columns fixed in front of panel. One is of cation column and another is of anion. Both the columns are filled with the resins, cation resin as well as anion resin. The fitting of this setup is like that. You have to perform different experiments with the help of cation as well as anion separately as well as along with cation and anion both in combination. This is the conductivity sensor which is in the outlet line of the apparatus. This is the peristaltic pump for controlling the flow rate through the columns. This is the panel. Here is the reading of the conductivity meter in the microsiemens per centimeter. This is our programmable logical controller where we have to set the temperature of heater as well as to show the readings of flow. First of all, switch on the mains, peristaltic pump as well as heater. Now this setup is connected with the USB to the computer. We have now opened the software of ion exchange. Our software screen is open. Now we have to firstly select the experiment which we have to perform, like anion experiment cation or anion plus cation. Now we have firstly choose anion plus cation. The water at the back side of the apparatus is filled with the normal water which we have to soften through the anion and cation columns. Now firstly our experiment will be performed with the help of water passing through firstly through cation, then through anion, then passes through conductivity meter and outlet. Here the conductivity of water decreases as it will pass through the columns. Now we have to firstly choose the time selection, like that we have to increase the time of 10 seconds interval where we have to plot the graph of conductivity versus time. There are 4 readings, that is of time, temperature, flow rate as well as conductivity. Firstly we have to set the flow rate of pump, that is in ml per minute. Now we have to set the flow, then press start button. One pop-up is generated, that is, are you sure that the temperature and initial conductivity set? You have to check the initial conductivity by opening and closing of the valves. Like this valve is closed, water will not enter to the column, and this valve also closed, water will not enter to the column. And these valves are open so that the initial water is flow through the conductivity meter, and we have to check the initial conductivity of the water. When we have to check the initial conductivity, then we have to on the peristaltic pump. Then initial conductivity of water is like this is the initial conductivity. Then we have to pass the water through the columns by opening these valves. Now when the water is passing through both the columns, then conductivity of water is decreasing. Like previously it is around 300 and then conductivity start decreasing, like 125, 95, 84, then 79. Conductivity starts decreasing. Initial conductivity is like that, and conductivity directly decreasing, and our water that graph is also decreasing, that conductivity. It means that cation and anion resins when we have to pass the hard water through the cation anion resins, then it will softs and its conductivity decreases. So that is the experiment of our cation and anion exchange apparatus, which is directly log data in the computer through the data logging software. Now we have to check with the different flow rates that how the conductivity decreases or increases with the help of flow rate. This is our experiment of today. Thank you.